Dames en heren, ek is Michiel Engelbrecht van Furna en ek wil u graag uitnooi na ons jaarlikse produksieveiling op die 6de Mei 2025. Dit gaan hierdie jaar plaasvind op die plaas Harcourt naby Tosca en dit gaan verseker 'n veiling wees wat u nie wil mis nie. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Michiel Engelbrecht and I want to invite you to Furna's annual production auction on the 6th of May 2025. It will be on the farm Harcourt near Tosca. And I want to assure you this year's event is one you won't want to miss. We are looking forward to seeing you there. Come and bid, buy and build your future with Furna. Ons aanbod bestaan vir jaar hoofsaaklik uit Simbras, Bosmaras en Wit Brahmane. Rasse wat bekend is vir hulle aanpasbaarheid, vrugbaarheid en uitstekende prestasie in enige omstandighede. We are offering 250 top quality selected cattle, including a large selection of our young stock and an exceptional number of 3-in-1 packages. Whether you are looking to expand your herd or invest in high potential breeding stock, this is the place to be. Join us on the 6th of May at Harcourt Farm for an auction that promises quality, value and top cattle.